Hi everyone, it's Michael from MDO Video to show you this air conditioning electrical system. This is basically a similar setup to what you're going to find if you open up an air handler control panel on an air conditioning system. We got a disconnect here that feeds into our terminal block, and then we've got the contactor, and we've got the transformer which sends power up to our thermostat through a red wire. Basically this is our thermostat here. What we've got here is a time delay on it. So what will happen is, this right now is letting us know that we've got power to the system, to our high voltage part, okay? So what I'm going to do here is, this is the thermostat, I'm going to kick the thermostat on, and this yellow light is signaling our outdoor compressor, which is the outdoor unit. I'm going to, compressor just kicked on, alright? Now we're going to wait a minute. And the indoor fan, I've got an actual fan plugged into, oh, there it goes. Green light came on, that indoor fan. And it's on. Running just like it should be without the coils or copper or all that. It's just the electrical system of it. That's how it works. Now when I go to cut the thermostat off, I'm going to shut it off. I just kicked the thermostat shut off and the compressor shut off. Outdoor compressor and outdoor fan shut off. Now we're waiting on our indoor fan to shut off, which takes a few minutes. Because what happens, the indoor fan is blowing hot air over that coil, which is boiling off the refrigerant. So that it's still in the coil. Indoor fan should shut off any minute now. There it goes. So that's that. Let me try something a little different here. Go. And that's it. So now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to shut off the thermostat. And that should shut off. Okay, so now what I've got to do now. Oh, gosh. That's it. Fan should be shutting off anyway. Oh, God. Alright. I got it off. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and subscribe, and like my videos. Bye.